Okay, today let's take a look at the limited edition Diplomat Zepp fountain pen. It's going to arrive in this big box, which will open up. And inside you'll find some brown paper. It's like a sturdier version of tissue paper. And then we'll pull it out of there. And we've got this dark colored, it's got a texture, kind of classy looking box, and it's got your information here. Then you open that up. It's just lift off top. And then you've got white paper here over your display box. The front of the white box folds down so you can have easy access to removing your fountain pen box. And this is the Diplomat Zepp limited edition display box. It's a really sturdy box. It's hinged, so you just open it up like this, and then you have your fountain pen inside. Here in the top, there's a pocket with all of your items. It comes with a package of Diplomat ink cartridges. It also comes with your classic fountain pen literature on the pen with some history. And this pen was inspired by the historic Zeppelin, but it also pulls some inspiration from structural architecture, which it turned out well. It's a great design, very interesting and beautiful. And then this is your card where you'll fill it out, and this is your for your guarantee. And we'll tuck all that back in here for safekeeping. And this material is like a gray. It looks a little bit like velvety at first, but it's not. It's a little bit more sturdier than that, but it's also really soft for your pen. Maybe. And then the pen is actually in the same material in like a pre-designed bed. It's got a sleeve, and it's got an extra little protective sleeve over the clip. We'll set this aside for now. And this is your Diplomat Zepp fountain pen in gold. There is also a version in chrome, and they're both quite beautiful. Underneath the clip, you probably won't be able to see in the video, but they very subtly etched the limited edition number underneath the clip. So under this one it says 52 of 500. And the barrel and cap of the pen are a silver, brushed silver. The clip and the tip of the cap and the end cap of the barrel are all on this pen gold, and on the chrome pen they're all the silver chrome color. And as we just mentioned, inspired by the Zeppelin, so that's the design elements here. The faceted body of the pen and the cap coordinate to represent the shape of the Zeppelin, and then some structural architectural elements you can see in this like laddering here. The quintessential Diplomat flower logo is on the very tip of the cap, and then the laddering of the clip is mimicked in the end cap. This is a cartridge converter pen that takes standard international cartridges. It includes the converter. It's already, it's got the Diplomat name printed right there on it. The cap that we already looked at is spring-loaded. And while it is ridiculously beautiful, it's also pretty functional if you like to make sure your clips are a functional part of your pen. And there you have it. If you want more information, check it out at pinchily.com.